Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one multiple times. If you follow my video and blog, you've seen me do it, but I want to get it updated here as another week is in the books, and I've had continued questions on it, and a couple interesting things that need to be pointed out here from the technical perspective. First, just want to start off with this purple line here, which is a 50-day simple moving average. Again, if you've watched my videos in the past, you know that when the price was up above this moving average, there was multiple times where it acted as support, and just like you would want to see it. Most recent example being right here, came down, acted as support, and then a nice bounce from there. But then when the price did drop below it, just basic technical analysis, when a support is broken, it becomes a resistance, and that's what's been going on. You can see multiple times now the price has tried to fight up here through the 50-day simple moving average, and again a couple times this past week, and just hasn't been able to do it. The reason I point this out is it's not a shock. It's nothing to really panic about, just because that's what's to be expected. Very rarely does a stock come up here and then bust right back up through the 50-day simple moving average. Usually it takes some time, especially after it's been such a key level of support. So on that note, the key level of resistance right now is going to be at 0.144. That's just the current value of the 50-day simple moving average. If you want an exact price, you can see right here up at let's see, 0.145. So maybe that'd be the better area of resistance right now. So 0.145 is the key level of resistance on the chart. And then this will bring into our next point here of the current chart pattern that we have, and that is an ascending triangle, meaning here's the top of our triangle, which I just talked about at 14.5 cents being the resistance, and then at the same time, as the price is struggling to get above there, where it's putting in higher lows, which is always a good thing. You can see bottomed out here, and then when it got rejected here, came down and put in that higher low before heading back up there. So ascending triangle is a current chart pattern that's being formed, and again, that's the psychology behind it is simply price is struggling to get through a certain area of resistance. However, at the same time, while it is struggling, it is also putting in higher lows. So you can see eventually the price is going to run out of room and some sort of decision is going to need to be made. But for the time being, ascending triangle is the chart pattern that the price is in. But all in all, a good week, nice healthy week. Just because it couldn't get up through there, not the end of the world. The thing that I like probably the best about the chart is it was able to put it in a higher low after making this move and then pulling back. Had it come down here and then just went put in new lows, that the chart would have a totally different landscape right now. But because it was able to put in that higher low, it's definitely taken on a nice form where I'm sure there's going to be more traders' eyeballs looking at it going into next week. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd like to quickly direct your attention down here to my private trading group. Whether you're somebody that's new and looking to learn, or if you're somebody that's experienced and just looking for some additional weekly trading ideas every week, the trading group has something for everybody. Experienced traders all the way down to new beginners. It's a good environment for everybody. We've been having some good success so far, so I'd encourage you to check out the trading testimonials and hopefully check it out, and hopefully you decide to join us. So again, check out the private trading group. All you got to do is click down there below. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekends.